If most of us want to delete messages from our iPhone, then we will go to this messages application. Then we will select a conversation and then delete, and then we will delete it. Now we will think that the message is already deleted, but we are wrong. Even though we delete a message, it still remains in our iPhone for 30 days and it can be recovered. So if you want to permanently delete the message immediately, then what you do is, once you have deleted the message, tap on this icon here on the top, go to recently deleted. Now you can see the message is still here and it will remain there for 30 days. So if you want to permanently delete it, you have to select the message and then delete and then delete it. Now the message will be permanently deleted. Now a bonus tip, if you don't want the message to be recovered, then what you can do is you can disable messages backup in iCloud. Now if you have backed up the messages in iCloud, it can be recovered from the iCloud. So what you do is, go to settings here, go to the name at the top here, go to iCloud, select see all, and if you see here messages in iCloud, right now what I have chosen is the messages that are present in the iPhone will be backed up to the iCloud, so it can be recovered from there later on. If I don't want it, then I have to disable this option and then select disable and download messages. Now once you do it, the message won't be backed up to the iCloud and it can't be recovered. But when you do it, all the messages that are present in this messages application won't be back to the iCloud. So you have to think about that one also. Now, if this video has really helped you, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.